Because we are, as some other people on YouTube are, baby back maniacs. One for me, one for you. One for me, one for you.
This will fit. Did it?
You opened that backwards.
So?
Just don't open it upside down. I think we're fine. Before we start, make sure you use your YouTube voice, or how I like to call your microphone voice.
My microphone voice. Oh, I held the microphone right here.
Yes.
It's like right here.
This is true.
Wait, I got. Okay.
Okay.
It's
All
true.
right. Okay.
Okay. Like this?
I haven't done this in so long. Gosh, I'm out of practice.
Hee.
We have some ribs here. These, what kind of ribs are these, kiddo?
Baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs. Okay. Do you want to eat?
Sure.
Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah. Who's that? Go for it. Oh, that was like the best one there. All right. These look pretty good. Very basic cook on these guys today. But go ahead, kiddo.
I haven't had ribs in such a long time.
You're stuck in some metal in there. That's good. I don't want to brag here, but it's cooked pretty perfectly. There is a very I was going to say there's a very slight smoke flavor on this thing, but I do believe that my palate is more accustomed to smoke flavor now. So when I say slight smoke flavor, it's actually more of a medium or to a heavy flavor, because I crave that smoke flavor now, and if I don't taste it in barbecue, I feel like it's not cooked properly. We used lump charcoal and post oak log for this cook, and these are 2 baby back ribs we got from the store. I got from Sam's Club actually just this morning. I am very happy with how these turned out. They were requested by my sous chef here for a very specific reason.
Mm.
Do you have any napkins over there? With this cook, we used, like I said, lump charcoal and post oak wood. We cooked it around 250 for about 4 hours, maybe 4.5. Actually took a little longer than I expected. Probably because it's a blizzard out there right now. Well, not right now. Don't look. It was, we had a fluke snow flurry came through right as we were getting the grill started. Did not expect that at all. Did not expect the temperatures to be in the low 20s. I expect them to be in the mid 40s today for this cook. So the ambient temperature outside can affect and will affect the cooking time and how well a cook goes for you, well or bad for you. So be aware of that when you're doing this, especially as we're getting into the winter months. Sadly, cooks will take a little more finesse to get it to what you want it to for temperature as well as for cooking.
I spent so long on that one piece.
Yeah, you did. These definitely bite off the bone ribs, and there are a little bit in there. There definitely is a little bit of a fall off the bone, which of course is just fine. For what you have at home, no complaints there. So as you are finishing up that bone, making a complete mess of yourself, your nose got a little bit there too. Start calling your root off with a lightning nose, more of a barbecue sauce in your nose. Yeah. Well, you can keep eating. Do you want to show the other reason why we wanted to do baby back ribs today?
No, because I'm chewing.
Okay. So here is the other reason we wanted to do, my sous chef proposed we do baby back ribs today on the barbecue. We have a sous chef's little sister here that she wanted to do baby back ribs for. We thought it'd be very applicable to do baby back ribs with a new baby. Because we are, as some other people on YouTube are, baby back maniacs. All joking aside, so thanks so much for watching, everybody. I cannot wait to, of course, do more videos with my sous chef and my new sous chef together. So we are ecstatic. I'm not getting very much sleep right now, but that comes with the territory. When doing barbecue, sometimes you don't get a lot of sleep either. So might as well combine both things and have great barbecue and have family. So win-win. Looks like she's still sleeping. That is a very good thing. I don't want to disturb her even more than we already have. We'll give her back to mom. But anyway, so say thanks for watching, everybody. A lot more videos coming out in the future, and we featuring our new edition here. So thanks for watching. Please have a great Christmas season we have coming up, and just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we head into 2024. And can't wait to see what this next year holds for us. Thanks, everybody. You feeding him down there?
No.
Our dog Beignet is down there. He's we're eating ribs, so of course I heard him licking. I just assumed our sous chef was feeding him something, but I guess not. Thanks, everybody.